the car. I'm off work. I'm about to go to the gym, but first let me show you what's, oh my god, in my bag work edition. I got this in Hong Kong last year. I've always wanted a work bag na kasha yung laptop. Also, I can use whenever I go on a work trip out of town. Kasi yung malalagay mo siya sa luggage. I have here my crybaby. There's a pocket right here na lagayan ng cellphone. Easy access. Here lang siya sa flap niya with a magnetic closure. There's a pocket right here where I put my work phone, and then it has a pen slot, and then it has a pocket right here sa gilid, a lagayan na water bottle, but I don't put my water bottle there. What I put instead is a hairbrush and a comfort cross. Key holder right here. I use it to hold my chukchak. There's a zipper pocket fan, hair tie, a mirror na naputol. We have here some sample perfume from Chanel. I usually put it inside my bag so that my bag would smell good. Pero parang wala na siyang amoy, so itatapon na natin siya. Dental floss, my eye drops, a mouthwash stick, loose toothpaste here. If I don't have mints, gaganunin ko na lang yung toothpaste. Ang sore throat, I got this in Japan. Poishan loose lip tint kasi hindi naman talaga dito yung lagayan ng lip tint. Solid perfume. This I got in Vietnam. So, para siyang perfume bomb. Ganyan. Ito yung nagpapabigat sa bag ko talaga. My iPad. Some documents. A pouch for my receipts. Another document. Eyeglasses. Yeah. Alcohol. Coin purse. Specifically yung mga scents. Makeup kit. Wallet. A sanitary kit, sanitary pad, some wipes, paper soap, earbuds. Oh my god, ang dami ko talagang loose na toothpaste. More mouthwash. Bawal mabad breath. My Tide to Go pen, but I don't like this kasi mabaho siya. I don't know if I got a wrong batch. I also have some blushes here kasi hindi siya magkasya sa aking makeup kit. Pink and peach. Those are the blush shades that I like. And then we have some mints here, lozenges. Oh! Brown sugar. Electronics pouch. AirPods. Another AirPods. Yes, I have two. Phone charger. Earphones. Ewan ko na lang talaga kung kukulangin pa ako ng gamit sa pamdinig. OTG, lightning to jack adapter, whatever charger. Connector para pwede kong gamitin the earphones and yung charger. So yeah, I think that's it. Time to head to the gym for my 6 p.m. core class.